Dear students, today our next topic is electron affinity. Electron affinity is totally opposite than that of ionization energy. This is related with anions, and in this electrons will be added and energy will be released. And they are non-metal. This topic is related with electron affinity is always related with non-metals. Ionization energy is always related with metals. Minimum amount of energy released or absorbed when an electron is added to a gaseous to form negative ions is called electron affinity. For example, fluoride ion, oxide ions, 337 for fluoride ions, and oxygen first electron affinity value is 141, but second value is 778. Dear students, you can note it there is energy released, but in second case energy is absorbed due to the force of repulsion. Similarly, electron affinity depends upon atomic number, nuclear charge, shielding effect, valence, vacancies in the outermost shells. Next topic is metallic character. Metals or metallic character. The elements which have tendency to lose electron to form positive ions is are called metals. Metallic character in groups and in periods. In group, metallic character increase from top to bottom of group. Non-metallic character decreases from top to bottom of group. For example, in case of fifth A group, oxygen is non-metal and non-metallic character is decrease and metallic character is increase. Metallic character in periods, metallic character decrease and non-metallic character increase from left to right of a period. For example, in second period, lithium is strong metal, but fluorine is a non-metal, as metallic character decrease in periods from left to right. Okay. Then we study thermodynamics properties. Thermodynamics properties mean melting point, boiling point, heat of fusion, and so on. Melting point in variation in period, the melting and boiling point of elements increase up to middle and then decrease up to noble gases. For example, in second period, melting point increase up carbon and then decrease up to neon. It depends upon the number of valence electrons. Okay. In the same way, in variation in a group, melting and boiling point of elements decrease from top to bottom of a group. The reason is that from top to bottom of a group, atomic size increase and inner attraction binding forces become weaker. As forces are weaker, then melting and boiling point will be decreased. So on. Oxidation state, as studied positive ions or negative ions, and we put plus or minus sign. These are known as for oxidation state. The apparent charge of positive or negative on an atom in a compound is known as oxidation state. In case of sodium chloride, sodium has oxidation state +1, chloride ion has -1. The oxidation state of element in free state is 0 because neutral atom has no any oxidation state. Oxidation states are related to the group's number. Oxidation of state of group first A and second A and third A is +1, +2 and +3 respectively. Oxidation state of group fourth state. It can be vary from +2 to +4. The oxidation state of group 5th is +3 to +5. It is equal to the number of electrons present in the valence shell. But the oxidation state of noble gas is 0 or 0 group. That's why these are known as 0 groups elements. Electrical conductivity. The flow of electric current through a substance is known as electrical conductivity. It is due to presence of loose electrons in an element. Electrical conductivity of metal is always maximum, but electrical conductivity of non-metal is always 0 or negligible small. This is the reason, because in metals there are valence electrons, but non-metals have valence electrons, but these are tightly held. But in case of metals, valence electrons are loosely held, and these are easily available for conductance. That's why metals are known as good conductors of electricity. Our last topic is hydration energy. Hydration mean water. Hydration mean water and energy. Hydration energy. The minimum amount of energy released. When 1 mole of gaseous ions are hydrated. This is known as hydration energy, and its unit is also kilojoule per mole. For example, hydrogen in gaseous state, when is hydrolysis, aqueous solution is formed, and then 1075 kilojoule per mole energy is released. Okay, thank you for joining us, dear students.